Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alla or Dr. Alla, and I'm here to talk to you about Cordyceps, which is one of medicinal mushrooms. But before we get into that, just in case it's the first time you are on my channel, I want to say that I'm a medical doctor. I used to be a facial reconstructive surgeon for a number of years until I developed allergy, and because of that I had to quit my career as a surgeon. I started taking, obviously at those days I started taking conventional medicine, but it wasn't helping me. I ended up taking some of medicinal mushrooms that were suggested to me. That helped me very quickly, and ever since, that was more than 20 years ago, ever since I have been taking medicinal mushrooms, though on a much smaller dosage now. As I call it, maintenance dosage, just 1 or 2 capsules a day, and that's sufficient just to keep the allergy away. Now I decided to share my expertise because quite a number of years ago, dealing with medicinal mushrooms has become also one of my businesses. It's called MediMushrooms. You would see the link to my website below this video. So MediMushrooms deals with 5 varieties of medicinal mushrooms: Cordyceps, lion's mane, reishi, maitake, and shiitake. And this is the video number 3 on the first product, which is Cordyceps. So in the first and second video I was talking about general aspects of Cordyceps, where it grows and how people do get hold of it, and what are the general benefits of Cordyceps. And today I want to talk about, in this video I want to talk about the more in-depth properties of Cordyceps. So I don't want to miss on any important information, so I'm going to be guided by my notes. In fact, it's a booklet that we did print for our clients, but I'll be guiding myself with this book because so I don't want to lose any to miss any information. So Cordyceps has got a number of valuable properties to it, and the key element of Cordyceps, same as for any other medicinal mushrooms, MediMushrooms, is the polysaccharides that it contains. Bioactive properties and health benefits of Cordyceps are the following. Number 1 is its energy booster, an exceptionally good energy booster. In the previous video I did say that it is regarded as a safe alternative to dangerous performance enhancing drugs, and Cordyceps is just superb. What it does, it increases the number of red blood cells, which contain the pigment hemoglobin, and transports the oxygen to the tissues, and this enhances the physical endurance and the stamina. Cordyceps is a cardiovascular tonic. It enhances the performance of cardiac muscle and improves the vasomotor function. What it does, it constricts and dilatates the muscle, and this way it also strengthens the vessels themselves. It improves the blood circulation magnificently. Cordyceps is also anti-hypertensional, has got anti-hypertension effect. It widens and the coronary arteries, and this way it increases the blood flow. Now I've got a number of patients that suffer of diabetes, and what Cordyceps does, it increases the secretion of insulin naturally. So lots of my patients that are diabetes do take Cordyceps at the same time as they take the medication, and in many cases they can they can lower down the medication level while they're taking cordyceps. So something important from my point of view. I did talk about the importance for of cordyceps in problems related to sexual dysfunction for men in cases of impotency. It is exceptionally strong supplement in studies and in research work has shown huge improvements. In a few years ago, in some two research work has been done between Beijing University of Medicine and Japan, when two groups of men were taken with sexual dysfunction, and a group that was taking cordyceps only had a 64% improvement in their performances compared to only 24% improvement in the group that was taking conventional medicine. So as you can see, it's a huge difference, and it's just such an important aspect of a man's life, a man's and the families, couples relationships, so it can't be ignored. Cordyceps is also a kidney tonic. It prevents the toxic processes in kidney and stimulates the detoxification of kidneys. It is a very good liver protection. Cordyceps prevents the formation of fibroid tissues within the liver. Also, what it does, and I have seen great improvements in patients that are suffering of cirrhosis, because what it does, it reduces the accumulation of watery liquids in abdominal area, and it just gives great results. Cordyceps has got fantastic anti-tumor effects. It boosts the function of depressed immune system. Also, what I want to talk about is antioxidant properties. Is a number of my people, a huge number of my people that I consult do talk about and complain about a lack of concentration, a loss of memory, inability to do a task for a long enough time to complete it. So in many cases, in fact in the majority of cases, cordyceps have shown great improvements in these cases. It is a product that doesn't have any side effects. It's safe to use by children, by in fact by anybody at any age. The only time when I do recommend to be cautious is when the patients have had any kind of organ transplant. Why? Because naturally medicinal mushrooms are very strong immune boosters, and with an organ transplant we want to rather suppress the immune system in order to not to have the rejection of organ that was transplanted. So that's the only cautious time when I would recommend to be cautious. But otherwise it's safe to take. Cordyceps can be taken in combination with other MediMushrooms. They do complement each other. There is no antagonistic relationship between all of them, so they're very happy to be taken at the same time. And if you've got any more questions, please send me an email. I do answer all emails within 24 hours. I do give recommendations. I do give suggestions. Also on the website, please pay attention to the symptoms chart, 118 symptoms. Please use them as a guide. It was impossible to put in all the symptoms that possibly one wish to find there, but it's good to use it as a guide. It's user friendly. You can print it and use it, make notes on it, and so on. That's all for now, and I'll see you in the next video when we'll be talking about lion's mane. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye bye.